So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Hello. Everything is looking much more positive. So here's a chart of Bitcoin shorts. So the candles are Bitcoin shorts. In fact, we could do them the other way around, couldn't we? Let's make, but for now, we'll leave it at this. What I want to say is we got up to sort of the previous all-time highs. We ticked past them, sort of 31,000 contracts short. Okay, that's a big deal when you consider that last time we were down at this price, which was around the 5th of February, or when we were at this price, we were only 14,000 contracts short. So double the number of shorts. And so when people say, oh, but there's no volume, where is the volume going to come for a Bitcoin rally? Then the Bitcoin rally is going to come from these shorts covering. And then how high that gets us, will then see if we can get some FOMO kicking in, and then the FOMO coming in will reverse the trend. So when people say, oh, okay, but who's going to buy? The shorts covering their shorts are going to be where the fuel comes from for this to go higher. So how high do we need to go? Let's recap this again. Here we are in a declining wedge in Bitcoin. We've got 2 touches on our upside trend line, and we've got 3 or 4 on the, depending on how you draw the lower one. Either way, we're in a descending channel. Potentially we could stall here. It's the 4-hour 200 moving average. When you do that, then the 20 moving average becomes support. So if we do see a pullback here, which we could potentially be setting up, then 7,099, so 7,100 is the support level, and only a close back below 7,100 and that 20 moving average on a close basis, remember 4-hour close, would be a bearish reversal. Otherwise, I'd be looking for some support either there or ahead of there and to continue higher. And our fib levels are like this. So we're going to go from the high here that we've made to the low. And the first thing we want to see is the 236 fib, where that is, because this is also where we break out from this descending channel. So 7,690 becomes the bull bear line, the trend line resistance, the 236 fib from the highs. And let's just make sure we've got nothing there on the daily. In fact, the daily 20 moving average is a little bit higher, but 7,690 is a big deal, for sure, a big deal. So that, and the bullish confirmation. So that's how I'm seeing Bitcoin. It's doing pretty good. If you keep track of the liquidated shorts, that's how we're going. Now, when you want to see when we're going to get back to equilibrium, keep an eye on the Bitcoin shorts chart at Bitfinex. Let's take away the comparison. I think when we come back, to balance or somewhere in the middle, if we just say 50% of this, and back to these moving averages here, I think when we get about there, then perhaps maybe we'll stall and we'll be back to normal. But for now, not many of these shorts have given up, and yet we've still had quite a lot of a rally. So let's keep an eye on this and see how this goes. We've got a long way to go and still a lot of fuel in the tank for this move higher, is what I'm trying to say here in Bitcoin. So if we take a quick look at Bitcoin Euro, where's our confirmation level for a breakout in Euro? Let's use Coinbase prices today. So the 236, the trend line 6261 is still the level that we're looking for to confirm the bullish reversal and get us out of this declining wedge in Bitcoin Euro.